In today's video, we are going to cover how to use Zapier for lead generation. Begin by signing into Zapier. Once you are on the main dashboard, click Create and then select Zap. This opens a new automation where you will define where the lead comes from and where it should go next. If you have multiple workspaces or accounts, make sure the correct one is selected before you continue. Next, choose your lead source. This is the app that will send new lead information into Zapier. You might use Facebook lead ads with the new lead trigger, Google Forms with new form response, Typeform with new entry, or webhooks by Zapier if the lead data is coming from another system. After selecting the source app and trigger event, connect your account so Zapier can access the incoming lead data. Follow the connection prompts, then return to the Zap setup once the account is linked. After that, configure the trigger settings for the source you selected. The options here depend on the app, so choose the form, page, or endpoint that should send leads into this workflow. Click Continue, then Run Test Trigger. Zapier will look for a sample record and pull in example lead data. This sample is what you will use to map fields later, so confirm that the record contains the details you expect. Now add the app that will manage or store the lead. Click the plus button to create the next step, then choose the destination app. Common options include HubSpot, Salesforce, Google Sheets, or Airtable. Once you pick the app, select the action that fits your process, such as creating a record, adding a row, or creating a contact. Then connect the destination account if it is not already linked. With both apps in place, map the lead information from the trigger to the destination fields. Match values like name, email, phone number, and any custom fields from your source to the corresponding fields in the lead management app. Take a moment here to verify each field carefully. A mismatched field can send the right data into the wrong place. When the mappings are complete, click Test for the action step. Zapier will send the sample lead into the destination app so you can verify that the record is created or logged as expected. If the destination app takes a moment to update, wait for the result and then check the record directly in that app. Before you activate the workflow, review the full Zap. Confirm that the trigger is correct, the field mappings match the destination fields, and the action is set to create or record the lead in the right location. This final check helps catch any setup issue before live leads start moving through the automation. When everything looks correct, click Publish to turn the Zap on. Your Zap is now published and ready to send new leads from your selected source into your destination app automatically.